So recall what you and I had to take a break and derive out of thin air when it came to me trying to derive the sine function out of thin air. But you know, that x is a dummy variable. So I think that basically says this: the limit as anything goes to 0 of the sine of that thing over that thing is equal to 1 as well. That being the case, what if I asked you for this? Now, I know this has nothing to do with derivatives, but if I asked you to value this limit, just because of what we know up here, I think we can do it. Now, I'm the one who threw an extra factor of 8 downstairs, so I'll compensate. I just multiplied by a funky looking form of 1. So let me jump around a little bit. Number 1, as x goes to 0, the cosine of 4 times is going to 1. So that ratio is simply going to 1. Now notice I finagled this limit in such a way that the input sine function is exactly what you see downstairs, although I compensated. Now, this thing as x goes to 0 behaves just like this thing as 2x goes to 0. But since this limit right here is a 1, then I think I'm merely left with this. Just a slight bit of trickery, if I can say it that way, because it's something we haven't seen before, but now I can deal with it because of that derivation of the derivative sine of x.